Step into the 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche LT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include body-colored exterior components, LPO chrome grille. LT Preferred Equipment Group includes standard equipment, seats, heated driver and front passenger, sunroof, power tilt sliding with express open and wind deflector, transmission 6-speed automatic, universal home remote, includes garage door opener, programmable, rear-wheel drive, tow hitch and power steering. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.